Hey everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today I'm doing unboxing of my new phone, that is Nokia X7. So today morning I got this phone and I really like this phone. This phone cost me 1600 yuan, but I paid 100 RMB more because in the first sale, in two seconds you can say the stock is over by the Nokia retailer. So I have to buy from a retailer and he charged me 100 yuan more, but it's okay. The phone is worth about it. So if you convert the price, it will be near about 245 US dollar, and if we convert in Indian money, it's near about 18,000. So this phone comes with a Snapdragon 710, dual rear camera 12 and 13 megapixel, front camera 20 megapixel. The camera is certified by ZEISS and it have OIS support, also audio technology, which make your video quality really good. And then this phone support quick charger and quick charging. The Nokia provides us quick charge at 18 volt type C charging port. They have 3.5 audio jack. So what you need more? And the battery, as you know, the battery of Nokia is always good. The battery is 3500 mAh. So this phone is a complete package, you can say. And hopefully this time Nokia launch this phone globally as soon as possible, hopefully till November. Because last time in Nokia X6, they launched it after 3 to 4 months. So it took a long time, and in between that time, a lot of phones, new phones arrived. So people don't like Nokia X6 so much that time. But this phone, I think, is the best phone in this price range till now. So I will do a comparison between Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite, Honor 8X and Oppo K1 with this phone. And we will see the quality and everything about it. So let's begin the video. And one thing, this phone is for my giveaway, as last week I polled for which one you need for the giveaway for next month. So most of the people choose Nokia X7. So this month, next month we will have the giveaway. The condition of giveaways we will see in the video. So you have to watch the video completely. I will tell the rules of my giveaway. And we can start the video and see the features of this phone and the giveaway rules.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
So this is my package. You can see I got some gifts. So you can say this one is the screen protector, one earphone, and some Chinese coupons. So let's see the box. Nokia X7. Here is also Nokia X7, nothing special. So the screen size is 6.18, 18.7 by 9, screen ratio 12 megapixel, 13 megapixel rear camera and 20 megapixel front camera. AI support and Snapdragon Qualcomm 710 processor. So this video is sponsored by Sweet LF 3D rechargeable waterproof electric shaver. So this shaver cost me about $30 and you can buy it from Amazon. The rating of this product is really good. You can see Amazon, the link is given in the description. This is the battery indication. This is waterproof with IPX7. So you can charge it from here, and they have a pop-up trimmer, this one. So this is really worth for only $30. So you can really buy it. I really recommend this product. So let's begin our video now. So let's open the box. So here is our phone. It looks really premium quality this time, and the SIM ejector tool, and this one will be the silicone cover and some instruction manual which will be in Chinese. So let's see the data cable is in type C, which is good, and the charger Nokia. So you can say it's 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 2 ampere, so 18 volt charger. This is really good. Let's take out the phone out. Wow, so I bought dark red maroon color like that, and the build quality is really good. And you can say the sides is aluminum alloy. Really a beautiful phone. Glass back look, you can say. So you can see the rear camera, dual rear camera is written ZEISS. So this is a good feature of the camera, a fingerprint sensor. Here is our volume key and power on button. You can see type C charging port, speaker, mic, noise cancellation, 2 antenna, same tray, I will show you later. And the best one is 3.5 audio jack and noise cancellation. So the SIM tray is hybrid. You can use 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM and 1 memory card. So let's start the phone, powered by Android, Nokia. The Chinese variant, so they have only Chinese and English language. Let's set up quickly. So let's try the fingerprint lock. It's really quick. And now let's the face unlock. So the setup is complete. Let's begin the phone. Wow, look good. The screen ratio of this phone is 86.5 ratio. The notch is a little big, and I didn't find anywhere to hide the notch feature. So let's try Antutu benchmark of this phone. This phone have Snapdragon 710. Let's see the feature. So you can see Android 8.10, Qualcomm Snapdragon 710, Adreno 616, really good. And so screen resolution 1080 by 2246. Let's try the multi-touch. So we can do 10 time multi-touch, and the front camera 12 megapixel, battery capacity 3500 mAh. So now let's begin the Antutu benchmark test. So the score is 165,816. So it's not a bad score, but I don't have any phone which have Snapdragon 710 to compare it. So let's see if we play a video how it look. I'm using TikTok app, which in Chinese is called Douyin. So you can see the notch is a little big. If you don't like notch, you have to download some third-party app and you can hide it. But I like notch, so it's okay for me. The screen of this phone is full HD plus LCD normal screen, so this doesn't have AMOLED. So now let's play a small PUBG match. So first see the graphics. So we can play in high definition, not HDR, and I will play a small match of 8 minutes as usual. So here we land. So I'm playing the Chinese version PUBG because I live in China. So it's going very smoothly. So I believe Snapdragon 710 with 4 GB RAM. So I think it doesn't lag and perform really well. So till now I am really playing, you can say, smoothly. Oh, here is one man. Where he go? So the blue circle is coming, so I have to move on. Oh, somebody on the second floor. Here he come. So there are 2 people, but I have to go. So till now the game is playing really very smoothly. doesn't face any lag. So 6 people left. One is my teammate. So 5 people left actually. Like these days the screen size of phones are really big, but this one is also very comfortable. And I forgot about the giveaway. So giveaway is on, but the result of giveaway will be when I will reach 30,000 subscriber. So this is the condition. If I reach in 1 week, the result will be in the like in 1 week. If it take 2 weeks, it will take 2 weeks. So you have to wait for that, and the rules are same like before. You can say you have to follow my Instagram. If you don't follow, you will be disqualified directly, and you have to comment on my all videos till the giveaway result come on. So I can choose any video on the final stage, and I will choose randomcommentpicker.com. So wow, here we won. So this one is a good match, you can say. I I killed 4 people. Wow, that's really good. So now let's see the camera of this phone. So the rear camera of this phone is 12 megapixel and 13 megapixel, which is really good with 1.4 micron. So I will do the camera review as soon as possible because I am really loving this phone. And you can say they have square, panorama, live bokeh, pro, many options they have. And if you want to record a video, we can record in, let's see, resolution Ultra HD 4K. So they have an inbuilt feature, and front camera we can record only in Full HD 1080p. So that is really good camera. Nokia camera is really good. So the phone is really beautiful. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe and participate in the giveaway.